How to customize responsive website presentation, the 4K Photoshop mockup. After you order the product from our store GeminiTutorials.com, download the product zip. Note, you will have lifetime access to this product just by ordering it for $2 only. Now, extract the zip file, and install the fonts on your PC, then open the Mockup Photoshop file in Photoshop. I have already done that. Now, on the Layers panel, you will find the Edit These Layers folder, and it is the only folder that is not locked. Go ahead and expand it. You will find the Mac Pro laptop, iPad, and the iPhone screens layers. On my Downloads folder, I have 3 images for responsive website views: desktop, tablet, and mobile. To capture your website design from a browser, use extensions that capture the whole page and resize the screen according to your needs. I have this desktop image, and this tablet image, and this mobile image. Now let's get back to Photoshop and start replacing the images. Let's start with the Mac Pro screen. Double-click the Smart Object icon on the layer thumbnail. Go to your new website images folders and drag the desktop image to the Photoshop screen. Resize the screen to fit the view. When you finish resizing, save the file and close it. You will see that the Mac Pro screen changed. Do the same steps with all other screen smart objects, by replacing the iPad screen with its image and the mobile with its image. I will fast forward the recording to see the final result. Delete the presentation text or replace it with your text. You can change its color or font type to fit your needs. I will fast forward again to see the result. Also, you can customize the background color using the adjustment layer above the background layer, which is called Change Hue and Saturation. Export the image, and use it in your PowerPoint presentation, video editing program, or any other media you wish to use this mockup for. That's it. Cheers.